What is one of the biggest things marketers have asked for on TikTok? To add a link to their website on the profile area. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and as of tonight, I can add a link to my profile. I'm going to show you how to do it, but before you get going, I want you to understand most people I've talked to and seen in groups don't have this option yet. Why I have it, I have no idea. I do have it. It's either rolling out, they're testing it. When you will get it, I have no idea. TikTok doesn't come to me and say, Sheryl, who gets it? So if you don't have the option yet, I suggest you just hold tight. And as they roll it out, I'm sure you will get it. So let's head over to TikTok and I'll show you. They really are letting us add a website. Okay, so once you've logged into TikTok, you're going to go to the bottom right and click on the Me. Once you've done that, you can see on my profile, there is a red line there with my website. So just click the big red button that says Edit Profile. Once you've clicked that, about midway down, you're going to see Add Website. Now, if you have this option, great. If you don't have it, sorry, it's probably coming. That's how every site does. They roll it out. Stay patient, keep checking. So I hope this helps. Be sure to share this video with your friends. Like, subscribe, do all of those things. Thanks for watching.